Hi guys, so because I like to wire my own microphones rather than get the shop to do it for me, I usually like to have microphone wiring diagrams to hand, but I don't usually. I have to look them up online. So what I've done is I've printed off a selection of them and laminated and hole punched them. The laminations to stop them getting too dirty whilst I'm actually using them to wire a microphone, and the hole punches so I can put them in a folder out of the way. So, this one's the Cybernet or standard wiring. Cybernet boarded radios. There's a few Midlands that have this pin out as well. One of the old Midlands I've got has that. And then you've got the Uniden, which is the UniAce 100, 200, the base station, which I believe is 300. And then the audio lines as well, which are based on that. And the TTI TCB 550 has this pin out as well, I've found. Realistics tend to have this DIN connector on them. I think some might have the previous 4-pin Uniden on them, but more often than not you'll find them with a DIN connector. My TRC 1007 has a DIN connector on it, and I have a reason to believe that that's the correct pin out, so I can plug an external microphone into it. This is the standard 6-pin connection. This is found on the Midland 78 Plus Multi. Don't know about the current version of the Midland 78. I haven't checked that. The Midland 38 has this as well. So, a few Midlands. My Moonraker FA 5000 has that as well. I can't think of any more off the top of my head, but there is a list on the website where these came from, which I'll pop a link to in the description below, but I'll tell you what it is in a minute. DNT, that's the LCL Economy, LCL Enterprise, and other DNTs with this DIN connector on them. And then this is for the Thunderpole T800, T2000, and T3000. Because it's obviously works with the microphone not plugged in, you get receive, and it's also got up, down, and the auto squelch on it. So pin out slightly different from the standard 6-pin. So that's what I've printed off, laminated, and has holes punched in so I can put them into a ring binder. And I'll be using those as I end up getting radios that need microphones, or the microphone plug replacing if I find the microphone plug is a bit substandard. And obviously if I need more, I can print out more. Now, these came from radiomicwiring.co.uk. So if you go onto that website, it's one page more or less, and there's a list of lots of different types of radios. Click the radio you're interested in, and it'll bring up the correct wiring for it. This is viewed from the solder side, the inside of the plug. So, just so you don't get too confused. So, hope that's been of some help, and I'll catch you in the next video. 7-3 for now.